So the next step in the process after assembling your application using the control panel is downloading the source code to your project. So when you visit the application's home screen in the control panel, you'll have a download source code option on the left. So when we choose that, you'll have two graphics, one for iOS on the left and one for Android on the right. So clicking one of these graphics will prepare the project for download. And this process is packaging up all of the necessary source code to make your application work. So we just prepared the iOS project for download, and so now I'm going to download this zip archive, and we're going to save this file on our computer. And then while we're at it, we'll also go ahead and prepare the Android package for download. And when it's done, we'll go ahead and download that package to our computer also. So it's a simple process of clicking the option to prepare it and then downloading it. And now those two folders, or zip archives, are in our downloads folder so that we can then unzip them and begin to work with them. So I'll unzip the iOS project, and then I will unzip the Android project, and we will explain a little bit about what are inside of these packages. So starting with iOS, you'll see that there's an instructions document that you should review. There are several different folders or directories inside of our project, and all of these project folders contain many files and lots of source code that your application will depend on. And so this is what the Buzztouch control panel created for you. You'll see that in our images folder, in our config folder, you'll see a couple of different options like the btconfig.txt file and all of the things that are related to our application. And so the same idea holds true in the Android project. The Android software developer kit relies on a different set of files, but the Buzztouch control panel will also create those for you. And so you'll see that the school shortcuts application is already named, and there's lots of different Java files to support the Android application, and there's lots of different layout files to support the Android application. All of this was prepared for you by using the download project source code screen. And so in step 3, the next video, we will show you how to open these projects in the iOS SDK, where we'll be opening this project in a program called Xcode, and then the Android SDK, where we'll be opening this project in a program called Eclipse.